Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa on FL Studio. First, set your project tempo to a lively 95 to 105 beats per minute. Next, organize your workspace by routing each instrument to its own mixer track. This setup is crucial for a clean mix. Finally, load up your core salsa percussion: congas, timbales, bongos, and claves. These are the rhythmic heart of your track. Now, let's build the rhythmic core. Start by programming the clave, the foundational 2-3 or 3-2 pattern. Then, layer your congas with a tumbao, focusing on open tones and slaps to create that signature bounce. Introduce timbales with cascara patterns and mambo bell rhythms for dynamic accents. Don't forget the bongos and gyro to add intricate rhythmic textures, bringing your salsa groove to life. With the rhythm established, it's time for melodies and harmonies. Craft a piano montuno, a catchy, repeating pattern that drives the song. Then, lay down a groovy bass line or tumbao that locks in with the piano and percussion. For that authentic salsa sound, arrange a horn section, usually trumpets and trombones, playing energetic call-and-response phrases. You can also add subtle gyro or maraca accents. Finally, let's arrange and mix your salsa track. Structure your song with clear sections: an intro, verses, a chorus, and a vibrant mambo section. Carefully balance all instrument levels using your mixer faders to ensure clarity. Apply equalization to each track, carving out specific frequency ranges so every instrument has its own space. Lastly, add subtle reverb and delay to create depth and a professional, polished sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.